Hi everyone. My name is Olivia Pearson and I am the virtual assistant at Hospitality Academy. Today we will be going through everything you need to know about obtaining a European visa, specifically for Spain. Before we get started, here are all the documents you will need. National Visa Application Form, 2 recent passport photos, valid passport and copy, admission letter, proof of economic means, bank account statements, medical insurance certificate, criminal record certificate, medical certificate, proof of residency, visa fee allowance. The visa process may seem intimidating, but Hospitality Academy is here to help you every step of the way. So let's begin the breakdown. First, you will be assigned to a visa specialist. They will be your point of contact throughout the process. To begin with, your visa specialist will provide you with a national visa application form. Next, to get ready for the process, you will need to provide 2 recent passport photos, white background, no glasses, and make sure they are in color. Now, it is essential to have a valid passport for the entire duration of your stay in Spain. You will need to provide the original passport as well as copies of different pages. Don't forget, you should have 10 white empty pages inside the passport even if it's valid. Your visa specialist will enroll you and provide you with a letter of admission or enrollment as proof of your education within the country. You will need to have the original document as well as a copy. Now this is where things get a little more complicated, but not to worry, we will take you through all the steps. The government requires proof of economic means, how one plans to support themselves while abroad and upon return. The original and a copy of those documents is required to be provided either by the student or a family member. Wondering how to prove this? There are 3 options you can choose from. Option 1. Having approximately your $3,400 in a bank account to your name, stamped by the bank. In some cases, a letter from a guarantor might be required. Option 2. If the account is in your name, bank statements from the last 6 months are required to show account movement. Ideally, you should have around your $560 per month. Additionally, you can provide supporting documentation, employment contract, and pay slips. Option 3. If you are unable to support yourself during your stay abroad, and someone else is sponsoring you, they must show bank statements for the last 6 months and a notarized letter signed by the sponsor with an apostille. Keep in mind that the apostille is only valid for 3 months. After 3 months, the document has to be officially translated by one of the translators from the list provided by your visa specialist. In case of someone sponsoring you, it is a good idea to bring supportive documents from your sponsor, such as employment contract and pay slips. The next step is to provide your medical insurance. You will need to provide the original document and a copy. However, the insurance company must be authorized to operate in Spain in order to be valid. The insurance must cover all risks insured, hence, a simple travel insurance won't be accepted. Not to worry, your visa specialist will share a list of accepted insurances. Moving on. If you wish to obtain your visa for longer than 6 months, you will also need to provide an original and a copy of your criminal record certificate. Similarly to the sponsor letter, the document must be legalized and apostille. Once again, keep in mind that the apostille is only valid for 3 months and must be officially translated after the period of validity. In addition to a valid medical insurance, if your visa is longer than 6 months, you will need to provide the original and a copy of your medical certificate. This certificate must state that the student does not suffer from any serious illnesses that could have repercussions for public health, in compliance with the International Health Regulations of 2005. To obtain a student visa in a foreign country, it is required to have proof of residency in your home country. You can submit your ID or residency card to prove this. And once you've collected all your documents, the last step is to ensure you are able to pay the visa fee allowance. The fee differs per country, but not to worry. Your visa specialist will inform you during the application process. That's everything you need to know about the Spanish visa process. Hospitality Academy is happy to assist you along the way to ensure the process is as smooth as possible. If you are interested in taking your career to the next level, have an experience of a lifetime through a work and study program, this is for you. Make sure to check out our website. All our information is included in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news in the hospitality industry, and keep an eye out on our socials for weekly job opportunities in luxury hotels and Michelin star restaurants around the world.